In a dense neighborhood of Tokyo, this house feels unexpectedly open. It stands on a compact urban site in Nakano City. Neighboring buildings surround it on almost every side. Natural light is limited. Privacy is also important, yet the house never feels closed in. The project is called House in Nakano. It was designed by Hiroyuki Oinuma Architect and Associates. The home was completed in 2025. Its total floor area is just over 96 square meters. The architect designed it as both a home and a workspace. The main opening faces the north side of the street. Instead of treating this as a weakness, the design turns it into an opportunity. The most distinctive feature is the Kazari Garden. This curved terrace extends from the second floor. It reaches outward toward the street. The terrace moves beyond the shadow of the building. This allows the plants to receive more daylight. It also brings a soft green view into the dining area. The garden is not simply decorative. It creates distance between the house and the city. At the same time, it keeps the home connected to the neighborhood. Inside, the layout follows a series of split levels. These levels respond to small changes in the site. The rooms are connected through a gentle spiral of movement. Each step reveals a different view. Sometimes the view opens toward the Kazari Garden. Sometimes it turns toward the private garden at the rear. This creates a sense of depth inside a compact footprint. The interior is finished with warm timber surfaces. Wood appears across the floors, walls, ceilings, and built-in furniture. Open shelves line many of the circulation paths. They hold books, ceramics, photographs, and plants. These objects are not hidden away. They become part of the architecture. The shelves make the home feel personal and lived in. They also turn everyday movement into a quiet gallery experience. The house balances privacy with openness. It protects the residents without isolating them. When someone steps onto the Kazari Garden, small interactions can happen. A neighbor may pass by. A child may look up from the street. A simple moment can become a connection. This is what makes the house feel alive. Its openness does not come from size. It comes from careful planning. Light, plants, movement, and daily objects all work together. House in Nakano shows how compact urban living can still feel calm. It also shows how architecture can create privacy without complete separation. And in one of the busiest cities in the world, that balance feels remarkably human.